What's up, tax savers? I had a question around business income and when do I count it as business income if I'm just earning money on the side? And the answer is if you're earning money on the side or get 1099s, even if you don't get 1099s, if you're not getting money through a W-2, then you are self-employed in the IRS's eyes. So if somebody pays you $10,000 to give them a shout out on Instagram, or somebody pays you $50 to rake their yard, that is technically business income, and you're required to put it on the Schedule C, which is a form in your tax return if you don't have a separate entity, and you report that, and it's subject to income tax. Now you can take expenses, any related expenses against that, but you would report that as business income. So you don't actually have to form an entity or file a DBA, which stands for doing business as any sort of business name with the local tax authorities in order to have business income. Just by getting a check cut to you, that's business income. If you get paid if you're kind of an employee but get paid and don't have a normal paycheck where you have withholdings coming out of your paycheck, then you are technically self-employed as an independent contractor, and you've got to report that on the business form on your personal return. So I know there's a lot of confusion around people, maybe if they're young and just getting started out or have kind of side hustles on how to report that income. That is how you do it. And technically, if you got like a free trip or something like that given to you in exchange for services, that also, the value of that trip would count as taxable income to you. So hopefully that clears up some confusion for those of you who are just starting out and getting some side hustle, which good for you for getting that side hustle if that's you. And if that's the case, watch all these videos and see where you can get some more tips and deductions and write off as much of that income as possible. So we'll see you next time.
We coming. Yeah, we coming. We coming.